Let's continue practicing with the verb to be in German, sein. So in previous lessons, you learned how to say I am, ich bin. You are, the informal you, du bist. Asking the question, are you, bist du. Saying he is, ist. So now we want to look at asking the question, is he? So is he? Remember, just switch the word order. Conjugated verb first, then subject pronoun. Ist Is he? Ist Is he? Ist Is he? Ist Nice, nett, nice, nett. Is he nice? Put it all together. Ist nett? Is he nice? Ist nett? Is he nice? Ist nett? Is he nice? Ist nett? Friendly? Freundlich? Friendly? Freundlich? Brave? Mutig? Brave? Mutig? Funny? Komisch? Funny? Komisch? So let's review. To be, sein, is he, ist nice, nett, friendly, freundlich, brave, mutig, funny, komisch, happy, froh. If you want to ask the question, is he nice? Ist nett? Is he friendly? Ist freundlich? Is he brave? Ist mutig? Is he funny? Ist komisch? Is he happy? Ist froh? To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.